Hi, second grade, Ms. Freibergel here. Today you will need a pencil and a notebook or a piece of paper for our lesson. We're going to be looking at theme today. Theme is the main message that the author wants the reader to know about a story or a text. It can be found by thinking about what the characters do and what the characters say throughout a story. To work on theme today, we're going to read a story called Coyote Brings Fire. We're going to work to figure out the theme of the story by what the characters do and say in our story. Our characters are the narrator, chipmunk, coyote, two fire beings, and a squirrel. Narrator. Long ago, people did not have fire. Coyote wanted to bring it to them. Coyote speaks to squirrel and chipmunk. Coyote. The fire beings have a fire at their camp. I have a plan to get fire. Will you help? Squirrel. Is your plan doable? We'll help you if you tell us what to do. Coyote. Follow me. Step quietly. The animals creep up to the fire being's camp. Coyote grabs a stick of fire. He runs. Chipmunk. Coyote, look! The fire beings are chasing you. Run quickly. Squirrel. Coyote, toss the fire to me. I can catch it. Coyote tosses the fire to Squirrel. Coyote. Squirrel, you caught the fire with your tail. The fire made your tail curl up over your back. Chipmunk. Squirrel, toss the fire to me. Squirrel tosses the fire to Chipmunk. Coyote. Chipmunk, watch out! A fire being is right behind you. The fire being scratched Chipmunk's back. Coyote. Here comes another fire being. I am tossing the fire gently onto Wood. Narrator. Now Wood had a fire. Coyote showed the people a useful skill. He rubbed two sticks together. That made a fire. Now the people had fire. All right, we're going to go through and look and figure some comprehension questions and the theme of our story. Go ahead and number your paper 1 to 4. Number 1, Coyote can't get fire by himself. What does he do? Does he ask the fire beings to help share, or does he ask the animals to help? Do you remember? Well, he does not ask the fire beings to share. He asks the animals to help. Go ahead and get that written down for number 1. Number 2, thinking back to some of the details in the story, how do the animals make Coyote's plan work? Circle the answer. Do the animals each do part of their plan, or does each animal try to work alone? Let's go up and reread. Is every animal trying to work alone, or are they working together? I see Squirrel saying, we'll help you if you tell us what to do. And then I see Chipmunk telling the squirrel to toss the fire to him. It seems like the animals each do their part of the plan to help get the fire. All right, number 3 and 4 you're going to do on your own, and they work with figuring out what the theme is. Number 3, point to the second picture. What does Coyote do in the end? Does he lose the fire, or does he show the people how to make fire? And number 4, the theme is the main message of a text. What is the theme of this story? Circle your answer. Is it working together gets things done? Or is it give up when something is hard? Go ahead, pause the video and click play when you're ready to review. For number 3, Coyote in the end, he shows people how to make the fire. And number 4, our theme is working together gets things done. So now that we know our theme, let's go up and see if we can see any clues that would have helped us figure that out. Working together gets things done. Well, right here, we have the squirrel saying that everyone will work together. So in our dialogue, we have a clue that working together gets things done. We have squirrel and chipmunk working together, catching the fire. We also have Coyote giving the fire to Wood. So we can visualize all these different characters working together to get the job done so that there was fire. All right, so you remember when you are looking at theme. It's just the main message that the author wants us to know. So in Coyote Brings Fire, the main message that the author wanted us to know was that working together gets things done. All right, great job today. I'll see you soon.